Snapchat?
Yeah, I only use Snapchat and Twitter.
I only use Instagram.
I use Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and Snapchat.
Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat.
Mostly like Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter.
Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat,
Facebook.
Probably once every like 15 minutes.
Okay.
That sounds about right.
When doing homework, definitely too many. Probably 3. Let's go say 3.
A lot. Probably every like 20 minutes.
A lot. Too many.
A lot. Just to like take breaks and stuff.
Like every 20 minutes.
Yeah. I'd say like 10 to 15 minutes.
Definitely.
Yeah, definitely. We have to put our phones like away from us like sometimes so we can get stuff done.
If I'm with people, yes.
Oh, for sure. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely.
Probably.
Yes.
Probably like at least a third of the time that I would be studying.
We'll say on average, let's say a half hour.
Probably an hour a day.
Like probably like. Yeah, what are you gonna say first? I don't know. Like hours. Yeah, definitely hours.
Probably like average 5 to 10 minutes every time I check.
Like in a day? Altogether?
Probably like 2 hours.
Yeah, 2 hours.
Yeah.
Definitely.
No, because I get distracted really easily.
Okay. Yes. I think it's good. Yeah. Yeah. Yes.
Hey, bro. You gonna do some work or what?
Hold on. Just a test.
Hey, they're like, bro, you be on that phone too.
I'm gonna take a Snapchat.
Come on. Relax. You don't never get no work done. You don't have your work done by 12?
I mean, that's got like, yeah.
Alright.
Dude, check this out.
Hey. By 12, I'm leaving. Are you still here?
Yeah, I'll be done.
Right. So you better have your work done. We've been here for a while. How much stuff have you been up here?
I have some sentences. What about you? Oh,
Me, I'll,
yeah.
so like a paragraph.
Yeah. I only got like 1 or 2 paragraphs.
You're on your phone all the time.
Just keep checking social media.
I'm gonna be going by 12, like I said.
Dude, I'm gonna be here for like the next 2 hours probably.
I guess you're gonna be here by yourself. I'm done. So how much you got done?
I'm almost done. Yeah, my phone went out to get through it. You almost touched it.
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, I got really gotta stop playing on my phone.
So in today's generation, college students and just like the young adults in that age area, we have a lot of social media and we have a lot of distraction. We have our phones and our laptops and just all these devices with all these different websites like Facebook and Snapchat and Instagram. We have Twitter. In reality, we should be focusing less on all of that and more into our work, because we have a lot of classes we go to every day, and we have homework for those classes, we have to study for those classes, and our social media cuts into a lot of it, because students get distracted. We stop doing our work, we check our phone, we got a new text, we want to see what's up with the world, and then on top of that, we try to multitask with texting and checking up on everything while doing our work. But then our mind is focused on replying and just not on the homework or studying. And so we're not getting the full knowledge we could, and we're going slower on our studying time, and so we're not going to get done faster or more efficiently. And it's just going to take longer. And then in the long term of it, you could see potential lower grades than you would if you just stay on topic, because you're distracting yourself. So there was a case study. It was conducted by Computers and Human Behavior, and 263 college students were chosen to do this. They were observed for like 15-minute increments on like studying and if they were distracted. And it showed after all the increments and all the observations of the students that on average 6 minutes out of the 15 were actually spent on studying, and so like the other 9 minutes they were on Facebook, checking their phones, their laptops, just social media in general, and they were getting off topic. Another case study was done at the Midwestern State University, and it showed students that were in a 3-hour-long lecture of how their minds were wandering. Of these 126 students, 29% of them were off task. They were checking social media and just not listening to the lecture. And this is why social media can be a huge distraction. I prevent social media distraction by putting my phone away in the backpack.
The best way I prevent social media from being a distraction is putting my phone on Do Not Disturb, or in extreme cases, turning my phone off.
I don't want to do
I prevent social media distraction by making break times for myself. Break times to check social media while I'm doing homework, or make break times to have a snack.
No.
Okay.